The Karachi administration failed to repair a sewer line at Karachi's Shaheen complex Chowk, the busiest business area on II Chundrigar Road, that, GO News reported Monday. According to Administrator Karachi Murtaza Wahab, the repair work began immediately and continued non-stop the next day. However, citizens found that the workers had been lagging to fix the sewage line. Due to the repair work, traffic flow has been suspended from 5 main highways at this central location of the city. Related items: Karachi to likely get above normal rain in August as well. Sinkhole emerges near Chief Minister House in Karachi. Sinkholes, hottest day and a billion trees. Pakistan's climate scorecard in 2018. The 66-inch diameter sewage line collapsed around 10 to 12 feet deep on Saturday afternoon, which led to overflowing gutters in Bolton Market, II Chundrigar Road, Corridor, Haqqani Chowk, Civil Hospital, and adjoining areas. A strong flow of water from the sewer line was also visible from a pit about 10 feet deep from the road. Just ahead of the first Islamic month of Muharram, a huge area around Haqqani Chowk, where a lot of Muharram processions and majalis take place, is blanketed with sewage.